Hello and welcome to Trading the Trend on Wednesday, the 25th of January. At the beginning of the year, we went long the Australian dollar versus the US dollar, and we also tried to buy the euro versus the US dollar, and both of these trades have worked out quite well. As you can see here on the Aussie US dollar chart, we have risen very strongly since the beginning of the year, so that's looking quite good. And last week, we wanted to go long nickel, and this trade so far has worked out quite well as well. So on this trade, what we can now do is to raise our stop loss level to our entry level, which was at $28,080, thereby making it a risk-free trade. And we keep our upside target of about $33,000 in place. And today's Trading the Trend is to go short the Amazon share price. Here on the daily financial bets, we can go short now at $94.83 with a stop loss just above yesterday's high at, let's say, just over $100 at $100.05. And a downside target of around $86, where the lows were made back in November. And the reason for this trade is very simple. We've had a series of lower highs and lower lows, so that's the definition of a downtrend on the Amazon share price. And then we rallied at the beginning of this year, stalled around the $99 mark, and retested that yesterday, failed just short of the psychological $100 mark, and are coming off again. So that's why I would like to go short on this trade with a very tight stop loss in the direction of the overall trend. So today's Trading the Trend is to go short the Amazon share price at $94.80 with a stop loss at $100.05 and a downside target at $86.